Okay, hi guys. Well, I had a bit of trouble with setting up the stream on YouTube because my restream chat didn't work. So yeah, but now it's fine, so I can see the chat. Well, I actually shouldn't have said that because it's not allowed on Twitch, but I don't think anyone cares right now at this point. So yeah, well, whatever. I guess I'm going to share the link, at least that. It looks like everything is fine. For now it's going to be a short stream because I don't have much time today. I've actually wanted to stream at least once a week and regularly, like on a schedule, on Fridays. That was the plan at least, but I only had one stream and then I couldn't stream anymore, so I figured, well, I'm going to stream whenever I can stream. So yeah, so I'm going to stream every day, but I won't be able to stream every day. Who knows when I'll stream next, but whenever I'll stream, I'll make sure to share the link at least. And well, I will have hopefully an update in my Discord server with the link, so there's that. Other than that, right now I'm trying to find the link, but I can't find the link. Where's that goddamn link? Okay, I think I got it. I'm going to try to open it in another window. No, wait, that's not the link. Why am I not live on YouTube? Well, yeah. Okay. It's a bit broken. I guess I'm going to share the Twitch link. God, this is so annoying. Why can't I have like a quick button to just copy the link? Go to my channel, copy the link to my channel, and there you'll find my stream. So yeah, I'm going to post this. Yeah, I hope that the sound is good. I hope that the music is not too loud. I hope that my voice is loud enough. I hope that everything else works and I won't have any kind of problems, but I guess it will be fine since, well, it's not like I'm a big YouTuber or something. It's fine. I'm going to try to look at the chat from time to time, so yeah. So I guess I've done a few things since the last stream. I've posted a few small clips in the Monogame Discord server, a few showcases. I think, well, last time you could, I guess, place towers, but you could place them literally anywhere and everywhere. So now we have, basically you can take a tower, well, that's kind of broken, but we have a few boxes or areas. It's kind of broken because it's 1.5 pixels. It doesn't make much sense, but yeah. And you can't place, well, you can place towers outside of the area. Right now I'm clicking. Oh yeah, you just saw something. So you can't really place towers outside of the area, you can't place towers on each other, so that's another thing. That's why you can see those red circles, those are like the hitboxes, so you can't place one on the other. And another important thing that I've implemented is that you can pick up towers that are already placed and put them somewhere else. So that's a really important thing that I wanted to have. So like you might not be able to, so those towers will have a cost, you'll have like a balance, and during the gameplay you'll have to buy towers. So let's say a light tower and place it, whatever. But well, the thing is, you might not have money, so like you place the tower on the left and there's an enemy coming on the right, and you won't have enough money to buy another tower to put it on the right. So what you will do is take this tower, put it here, and take this tower and put it here, and you'll have, well, you will be able to kill that enemy just by moving the towers. And I guess I just thought of something, and I'm going to put it on the list. So, well, I guess I should show you the list because it's, yeah, there's a few things that I noted. When moving towers, the towers should lose a bit of HP. So like, you shouldn't be able to abuse this. So like, you'll have a reason to keep buying towers. Also, the towers will get more and more expensive as the game goes on. Another thing is, well, what I wanted to do in those, like in this like half an hour of a stream, is either the red flickering, so like if you want to place a tower somewhere that shouldn't be able to place it, it should flicker, so like have a little animation that indicates that, well, you did something wrong. Either that, or I guess the reset system. So I guess right now you can't really reset the game. I want to have like a reset system, but that means in a way that I need a state machine, if I'm right, if that's what it's called. So like, I need to save the initial state of the game and be able to delete all the entities and stuff and replace them with the initial state, like a snapshot of the entities. But it shouldn't actually be saved like that. I think it should be saved in another way. So yeah, I guess that's a big one. So I could add rotation. I need to add like the cones of light. That's going to be pretty hard because it's kind of like raycasting. So like the cones, damage zone or whatever, is like raycasting. The zones overlapping, that's another big one. Enemies, so like the whole gameplay loop is pretty simple, but it's kind of hard to implement when you have, well, when you're doing an engine at the same time. So like I kind of how do I say it, underestimated the project a bit. I also overestimated how much time I had, so what I was supposed to have, because I'm way overdue with this thing. It's like it's been like maybe 2 months since I started it. I actually can't even remember when I started it. I guess I could look through the git changes or something. It's like that. The first commit was, well, yeah, kind of like 2 months ago. So there's that. So yeah, I guess a rotation is kind of easy. I guess I can do it fast. The red flickering, I have no idea how to do it. I'll see. Okay, I guess I should open. Let's see. For rotation, I guess it's just, well, you press a key like R and it lets you rotate the tower while you are holding it. So let's do that. I guess, well, I don't know, we should have two keys, one to rotate it clockwise and one to rotate it anti-clockwise. So I guess R and E. Maybe we can change that later if needed. So for that, well, I guess I need to go into the mouse system, which I already am. I'm already in the mouse system, and so this is where the tower component is not null, so it's like a selected tower component, and this is where it's not. So this is if left click is pressed, it does a thing, and this is if right click is pressed. So like another thing is you can pick something from the shop and you can clear it. Oh, by the way, see that? I forgot to show that. So like it saves the state. So like if you want to cancel the tower replacement, you can do that with the right click. I even forgot I did that, to be honest. So yeah, so in here I guess I need to get a keyboard state, and for that I guess I want to have a global keyboard state from the engine, because right now I only have the mouse state. So let's say keyboard state. So this, oh, I have GitHub Copilot, by the way. Maybe I want the whole keyboard state, I guess. I'm not very sure, but for now I'm going to do like a dirty implementation of it. So this is the keyboard state, and I guess in the update we'll do something like all keyboard state equal keyboard state, and yeah, this keyboard state equals keyboard.getState. I'm not sure if this is fine. I guess it's fine. Let's see. So if Hailstorm dot keyboard state, that should be in the engine actually, like engine that left shift no keys that, okay, keys, but I don't want the full qualified name. Oh no. Okay, so keys that are, but I want this, so I'm going to, oh god, what did I do? I don't want extensions. So this, so R is for selected tower composition equals, I don't want the position, I want a tower component to have a rotation, which it does. So like selected tower component rotation plus equals this, I guess. I should actually do something with delta time. Like I forgot what the actual, I'm supposed to multiply it by like game time, no, game time that elapsed game time, I guess. Oh no, what is elapsed game time? It's a time span. What was it? I know I've used it before, so like game time. I I always forget. Position. No. Oh well, actually, let's use Google. English or Spanish? Oh no. Well, you're getting banned. Hello, Phage. Hello, Alexa. Okay. So where was I? I need to Google something. So so it should be elapsed time, but I'm stupid and I have no idea how to use it because it's a time span. I should have something like a float or something. Like game time, that elapsed game time. I should have that in my test system, I think. Game time. Yeah, that total seconds, right. That total game, that elapsed game time, that total seconds. And cast these to a float. And that should be fine. And else if I guess T works as well. We do it the other way around. Let's see. It might actually not do anything because I'm not drawing the tower components with the rotation in mind. The viewport is all wrong again. Hi Mao, welcome to the stream. Okay, so I need to go into the tower component, well, not tower component, tower system. And when I draw it, I need to draw it with the rotation in mind. So let's see where that rotation thing is. Okay, so that's one, but it's this weird data type. I need this. Do I have something with rotation that doesn't have rectangles in it or something? I have the position. Rotation. Can I give rotation of this rotation? Item dot rotation. So it's either this one, okay, so I guess this one. Scale effects, layer dev. So I can just not give anything to that. The scale should be 1F and light effects that, wait, none, and I guess maybe this. What's up with this? But it's right there though. So the texture, the position, the rectangle, the color, the rotation, the origin. Okay. Can I have like a vector from that one? Or 0? Let's see if this works. Okay. Well, it's not rotating. Oh, it actually did something, but... So it's rotating very slowly, and I can't see if it's rotating. It's also rotating not in the center, but in the origin, I guess. So I need to rotate it from the middle somehow. There's also the thing that it's not drawing. It's not doing the rotation. First of all, I want to do this because it's too slow. Second of all, why is it not showing the rotation while it's in the while it's selected? So where am I drawing it? Oh, okay, so it's this one. So that's... Oops. Selected. So now we should see the rotation while it's selected. Okay. Rotate. Yeah, it's not rotating the way it's supposed to be. Well, it does what it knows, but... And the hitbox doesn't rotate as well. Well, it shouldn't rotate, but... You know, it's not a good rotation. Again, it's still too slow. I'll make it double as fast. Okay. So time to Google it again. So let's see. So I should do something with the origin, which is this one. And that should be relative to the source rectangle. So I'm going to just do something like well, what's the tower texture? Maybe I want in the future to have different textures, but for now I guess they will be the same, like the same size. So I guess I can do something like this. This and where is it? And this. I have no idea if it will work, but let's give it a try. Okay, now that's broken, but it's rotating in place. Okay, that's good. So then that means that I need to change the way I draw things. So when I rotate it, it's fine. Also, this is the reverse rotation. Okay, so let's see. When I draw it, okay, I need to think about it. The actual position, well, the actual offset should be... Where do I set the offset? Wait. I set the offset somewhere, but... Where is this used? Oh, okay, so... Wait. In the shop system? That's kinda bad. I need to set this... I need to set this when I select a tower as well. So... something like this. Tower. And the offset needs to be... Well, right now it seems to be... So like... So first of all, I'm going to... Well, I don't have the offset in here. I mean the origin. By the way, I want to do this. And also positions, where did I put it? Performance display. No. I'm using... Wait, tile system? Is it actually in the main class? No. I forgot where I put the... Actually where the areas are being drawn, like the borders. I wanted to make them thicker, but I don't remember where I put them. I think there was like a draw rectangle or something. This is the test system. Position, performance, mouse. Mouse? It's not a mouse. Debug. Okay, it was debug. So yeah. Why is this an integer? While in the circle it's a float. Whatever. So what was I doing? I still want to increase this. This is still too slow. Okay. So in the case of this, I guess the offset should be the whole width and height of the texture, and the same in the sharp system. So let's see if it's the right direction or not. I need to fix the view somehow. Okay. Nope, it was the wrong direction. Okay. So either this or like this. Wait. I guess there should be no offset. So wait. I'm going to comment this, and I'm going to go to the mouse system and comment this and go to the offset and say that the offset is well, vector to dot 0. Now the question is, will the hitboxes still be okay? And I have a feeling that they're not going to be okay. Yep. I need to draw the hitboxes with the offset as well. Well, not just draw, but actually have their position be in the right, well, in the right position. So the hitbox circle, do I do anything with that? I guess. Tower system. This is the circle. The hitbox is in the tower component. So we have a circle hitbox in here. And I don't need this anymore, I guess. No, I wanna comment just this. Okay. Let's see if this is working. Still not working, but I think it's better. So when it's drawing it, it's fine. Because the hitbox is set the correct way. Actually, no, the hitbox is the one that is going in the wrong direction. Also, yeah, this is the hitbox. The hitbox is in the middle and the tower is, well, offset. So this is the core entity. Well, this is the middle, and I guess this is the offset. And well, I guess I can remove those. Okay, this time it actually opened in full screen. So yeah, now the tower is in the right place, I think. It seems to be in the right place. And now it's just the hitbox that's not in the right place. So I need to go into the tower system can see, well, for tower component. The hitbox has a position. That position needs to be actually like this, I think. No. Maybe I need to check the mouse system as well. So the position is okay. Wait. This is a problem. Yeah, that's a problem. I still need to keep the offset because I'm using it for the borders, so I can't get rid of it entirely. But I do need to get rid of it for the position, so yeah. So now if I do this, it's almost fine. It's, well, it's the, yeah, it's the viewport, that's the problem. Okay, now why does it do that? So is the actual position there? So when I click and place it, if I take this, so yeah, the actual position is here. So when I click, that's the right click. So this is if it doesn't collide, and this is if it's placed. So all it does is set the color back to normal, to white. It sets the isSelected property and then gets rid of the component from the variable, and sets a variable like it's from shop. So it's actually where I draw it, but when I actually go to the mouse system and click, well, here it checks for the hitbox. Okay, so it's the hitbox position. Okay, and if the tower is movable, that's to avoid the core tower from being replaced, replaced. Okay, so it's the hitbox position, but the hitbox gets drawn correctly while I have it selected. So is it a separate hitbox circle? No, wait. Okay, so this is left click is pressed. The hitbox.center equals position. Okay, so not center, but origin, left, bounding rectangle. Okay, center, I guess. But I need to but the position is the mouse position. So if I do this, then it will get drawn, well, with an offset like this, and when I place it, it goes there. Okay, so that's even worse. So it's clearly something in the tower component. Maybe. Wait, so for the core tower, core entity, or whatever it's called, do I set the hitbox position? I don't, so it's the default one. Yes. That's the center. So the center should be like even further. Wait, that's the radius. Let's see. Nope, doesn't do anything. Somehow that doesn't affect where the hitbox gets placed, so it makes me think that it's actually set somewhere else. And if I do something like this, it doesn't work, but you know, here it works. See, now the hitbox is intersect, which is weird. Wait. Oh wow. Oh wow, look at that. Okay. That's interesting. Okay, I thought that I would finish this faster, but I guess not. Also, this works. I still want it to be faster. Okay. So what I'm wondering is, why is the hitbox being set with another position when I place it? Because I don't set it. And the property in the constructor in the tower component doesn't actually change anything. I can probably say it's a new circle with, I don't know, 0. Let's see what happens if I do this. Actually no. Vector 2, that's 0. Will it be drawn in the corner? I don't think so. I think something gets set. See? So is it in the tower system? Do I do something in the update? I do, and I'm stupid. Okay. So I need to get rid of this. Wait. What's up with this part? Oh. I guess I'm blind. Okay, and in the tower component, I guess this is fine. Okay, what about now? Yes, now that works. And I can rotate the towers. So that's rotation. Yeah, and it's really nice. Now the health component doesn't get drawn correctly, and I need to go into the health system, and well, I guess the position needs to be offset. Position component. Okay, so then in the tower component we have a position component. So in the tower system we're using the position component, but well, I guess I'll have to do it manually. So like, that's the top offset. So I need something like public int health bar, not padding. So like, let's call it top margin and left margin, and that's 16. This needs to be minus, well, it's like what, 48? No, wait, 52, and this should be like minus 36. So this should be health bar top margin. I should actually make this a plus sign and make this a negative number, so it makes more sense. And this one should be plus health bar left margin, health bar left margin. Okay, let's see. Well, almost. I guess the left margin is a bit too much. I think it's 32 actually, and this should be 48. Yes, also okay, so now it works. Another thing is, well, so we've got rotation, right? So this is done. Let's do this. Add health components to towers. So let's go into the mouse system or shop system. No, it should be the mouse system. So wait, no, it's the shop system. So when I create the entity, I should also create a health component. I just need the entity. Right now the health is hard-coded in a way, so I can't actually set the health when I create entities. Now I should do health component that initialize, and well, entity that add component health component. So like this. So now let's see if this works. Okay. Okay. Okay, so the interesting thing is that I can click here and it will jump to the center, which is cool, I guess. Another thing is, I guess maybe I should make the health bar another color if the tower component is selected. So for that I need, well, I wonder how should I do this? So like, I don't have a reference to the health component in the tower component. I guess I could do that. So I can have a public health component, and I can have here ref. This doesn't even make much sense, but you know, health component, and I guess I can put it at the bottom. Health component equals health component, and in the health component I can say public color. It should be from, well, XNA, but I don't see it, so I guess it's already here. And the color is red. So like, I need to check the health system. So the background, so there's a health bar color and the background color. So like health, so like color and background color, and they should be black. And in the health system, instead of using those, I need to do the I actually need to use the other one. So not a position but a component. I guess I can use that. I guess I can get rid of the background color, so I don't really need to store that. Wait, so I don't need to store that, at least now I don't. So I'm going back to the health system, and here instead of the color.red I'm going to say component.color. So now it's going to draw using the component color that's stored in the health component class. And if I go into the mouse system, I can say, well, read only color health color. This should be like tower selected color, and this should be health bar selected bar. Did I read that? Wait, what? Health bar selected color. And this one should be a red, so like this should be 0, this should be 0, and the alpha should be like a 200. So selected tower component that health component that color, because tower selected color, not tower selected, health bar selected color. And when I place it, it should be back to color that's red. Color red. And okay, so yeah, that and this one, not white but red as well. And in the shop system, maybe, I guess not. Wait. No, actually in the shop system. So I need to delete this. I need to say health component here. And I guess that's fine. Mouse system. Yeah, so the selected tower component that health component that color equals health box selected color. What's up with this? Wait, if left click is pressed. Oh, okay, so yeah, if I pick up a tower, right? So like this. When the tower is picked up from the ground. I'm going to put that there, even though it looks ugly, but I'm going to leave it there. Let's see, it should work. And I think that's the last thing oh, it's not working. I've deleted something and now it's yeah, here. So what's this? First of all, no ref, and I should have a, well, health component. This H in here. It's not exactly the best thing to do. It's like keeping a reference of the health component in the tower component, just like I keep a reference of the tower position component in the tower component, or like the position component in the tower component is not a really good thing. But yeah, you can't actually see, well, it's kind of hard to see, but let's go into the mouse system and I'll make this maybe like a 100. I guess it doesn't work or something. I guess it doesn't really work. By the way, wait a minute, just a second. Okay, I'm back. I have something that's not working right now, so, but it's fine. Okay, so why is this not working? Why is it not working? This is set. It's probably something stupid again, but let's see. So the health system, it uses the component.color. The health component, well, it has a public color red. I guess do a getter and a setter, but it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really. It doesn't, right? I hope it doesn't. But if that's the thing, then maybe. But yeah, it's not the thing. Okay, so shop system. Is it because of this? I don't think it's because of this. Health bar selected color. So this is like if right click is pressed and power is selected, set power state. If left click is pressed, so this makes it go back to red. I guess, yeah, this makes it go back to red. And this is if a tower is picked up from the ground. But this is not really working. And it might be because of this actually, but I don't know, let's try something like color that blue. Let's see, does it draw blue health bars? Yes. What happens if I do new color 255.00 and 5? I don't know. Oh, it might actually be because the background is black. Let's see if the background is transparent. Let's see. Yeah, that was it. So I guess component.color, and this is color.black. Color.black. But well, I guess I'm going to go into the health component and say public color background color get set. I'm going to do this really fast. Equals color.red, color.black. Oh, actually, well, I can do something like times component.color.alpha. It's a byte. 255, 56. Like this. How much is a byte? Is it 256? 55? I think it's 255. Yeah, that works. Okay, so we have colors. So like have components done, and with transparent color when picked up. So yeah. I need to set this to 200 though, so it's consistent. Wait. Mouse system 200. And yeah, that's about it. We have rotation. If we have health bars for like, wait. Yeah, so the health bars are being drawn the last. So rotation. This is cool. I like this. This will be very helpful. So like it won't really matter if you rotate the elemental towers, but like the light towers, those have a direction, and the light cone, or will have a light cone. So it will matter what the direction of the light cone will be, because you want to cast, maybe you want to do like a setup like this, something like this. I don't know. Maybe you want to do like maybe one here, maybe one here, maybe one here, and maybe one here, and put one in the middle. And then I don't know, maybe put something like this. Combine the elements, get something new. Okay, I guess that's all. I'm going to end the stream now. So yeah, thanks for watching, and thanks for tuning in, thanks for staying, lurking, or whatever. See you next time.